If you have always wanted one of these beautiful black Ruko padlocks with the green stripes and the black snowman with any random Ruko core, it might be too late, because if you ask Assa, silver is the new black, so this is what they look like now. The green stripes is now a green dot, and even the snowman is silver. So this is what they look like now. Some might think it's better, some might think it's worse, but if you're really lucky, you might be able to find one of these babies, because this one is the in-between, because this one still has the green lions as well as being silver. All for now.